The lifetime deals for Wordrocket have just been launched, so if you've been waiting to upgrade, this is the best time to do it. We currently have two deals. The first deal is 10% off all of our subscriptions. If you want to upgrade, you can get 10% off any plan. For example, if you choose the Pro plan and hit subscribe, you enter your coupon code at checkout, and instead of paying $20 per month, it becomes $18 per month. That discount is locked in forever, for as long as you stay subscribed. This same discount applies to the Starter, Pro, and Premium plans. On Premium, you'll get $5 off every month for as long as you remain a subscriber. It's not just a one-time discount, it's ongoing. The second deal is our lifetime deal. The lifetime deal is usually $199. But again, if we enter our Black Friday code at checkout and continue, that price changes to $150 as a one-time payment. With the lifetime deal, you get a couple of really powerful features. You get 250 images per month, and that renews every month. You get 5 sitemaps for internal linking, which means you can use up to 5 different sites for internal linking. You get access to our book generation feature. You can create 5 different brand guides. You can connect 5 WordPress sites directly to Wordrocket. And you have no rate limits, so it's a really good deal. Honestly, a very good deal. If you want to upgrade to the lifetime plan, you can absolutely do that. Lifetime deals will not be here forever. They're available for a limited time. I brought the lifetime deal back because a lot of people were asking for it. If you'd rather get a monthly plan, you can obviously start with the free plan to try it out. We also have monthly plans, and you can try Wordrocket completely free. It is completely free to use, and we're very generous with our free plan because we know how good the tool is. If you want to upgrade to the starter plan, you get 1 brand voice, 1 sitemap, 1 WordPress connection, and 100 images. The Pro plan is similar to the lifetime deal in terms of features. The Premium plan gives you 650 images per month, unlimited brand voices, unlimited sitemaps, 10 WordPress sites that you can connect to, and access to bulk generation mode as well. To upgrade, just head over to app.wordrocket.ai/pricing, or go into your account and click View All Plans to see our lifetime deals and monthly plans. We've also added some exciting new features. One of the biggest updates is our product roundup mode, which is really powerful. It allows you to create product comparison articles for Amazon or for affiliate marketing. For example, I created an article around the best wireless mouse in 2025. The images look great, and the content is very engaging. We include a quick comparison section, a detailed comparison chart, and a breakdown of each product. We also generate a custom image that really enhances the overall quality of the article. You'll see FAQs, additional images, and clear sections like Best Overall, Best for Gaming, Best for Price Point, and Best for Streaming. You even get personal recommendations, a strong bottom line section, and we generate your SEO title and meta description for you. This is a really powerful feature that we've added to Wordrocket, and we're going to continue improving the tool over time. So, again, if you'd like to upgrade, you can head over to Wordrocket and upgrade for this Black Friday. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.